Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see an apartment, and this will be my first time viewing an apartment. I was supposed to have one yesterday, and then they actually got the deposit down on it, so I couldn't even see it. I had literally gotten to the apartment, parked, waited for the lady to show up, and then she was like, sorry, our deposit has already been put down. But because of that, I was told that they would keep me on their mailing list and that they would let me know when other apartments came available. And so I got a message today, probably about an hour ago, saying, hey, I've got this apartment that it's not even on the market yet. And because the other one that we showed you was taken already, we want to give you first dibs at this one. So it's like, okay, cool. So this apartment that we're going to see isn't even on the market yet, but they're letting me go in and look early at it. And based off of the pictures that I saw, I really, really like this apartment. I was looking for a 3-bedroom, maybe with 3 beds, 2 baths maybe, under a certain price point. And that price point is one of the key things that I have to worry about, because I only have a certain amount of money that I can spend each month on rent. We just got here. It is currently 3:05. My viewing isn't until 3:30. I'm assuming it's gonna be one of these apartments right over here. Like I said, I really, really like the photos from this, so it's gonna be really nice to see the inside of that, if it matches, if it doesn't matches. If it does, I hope this is the one. I'm literally just gonna tell her like, hey, I wanna move forward with this. What do we need to do? And how fast can I move in here? The drive isn't that far away from base. It is probably, this says 17 minutes away from base. So, which will probably be like 20, 25 minutes on a given day. Yeah, I've got a really, really good feeling about this one, and I guess we will see what happens. I will just say the parking out here is interesting. Because if you're not careful, you'll park in somebody else's spot, which I didn't realize.
Yeah.
So
I parked in someone else's spot.
Yeah, so did I. Yeah, right. It was based off of the pictures. I absolutely loved it.
Yeah. Hopefully they haven't absolutely wrecked it. But I don't think they have, so.
If you don't mind, could I film for documentation purposes?
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome. It is clean. Okay, that's a good first start.
It will be, well, I know she's done the cleaning it herself.
Okay.
But we will inspect it,
Mm-hmm.
and if there's anything that we think needs
Okay.
doing.
And my housing office will also come and do an inspection as well.
They will do a life safety inspection.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll arrange all that should you decide to
Okay.
take it up.
Awesome.
Okay.
I was gonna say shoes off, or
Yeah,
probably off.
If we can.
Yeah, probably off.
But
That's fine.
You said it wasn't a deal breaker, so when Karen said that this was coming up, I was like, okay, we have someone. So this is the family bath.
Okay.
Shower. It's a bathroom.
It is a bathroom.
But it is very clean.
As long as everything is in working order, then we're all set.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, when we do the inspection, we will check all that.
Right.
So, yeah, and anything that needs doing, we will do.
Okay, so would this be the guest room, spare room, office?
This is probably the master.
Or this is the master? Okay.
Yeah, so you've got your built-in wardrobes there,
Okay.
and a nice spacious shower room there.
Yeah, that actually, out of the listings that I've seen, you don't see a lot like that. You don't.
And it is really nicely done out. I mean,
It is.
I know colour isn't some people's thing, but you know.
It's clean and it's more modern, and it's the gray and the blue, and the colors at least go together. I've seen a lot of places where the colors don't even go together. And yeah, it looks really well done.
With this nice.
It's a little bit smaller of a master bedroom, but it's it's clean and it's the room and it's got
might
like.
be wrong,
Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see.
but yeah.
Yeah.
This is the smaller room.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's good for a guest room.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just don't know. Okay, so the bed would go probably here, or would it go against that wall?
I mean, it could go here.
Because I'm not sure where the owner has the cap, or why the owner has the two ledges there if the bed were supposed to go
Yeah.
here.
I'm not entirely
So-
sure.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But okay, I mean, usually you can tell by like where the markers are on the
Yeah,
floor,
I
but
don't actually think. I don't know if this actually had a bedroom, a bed in it. It looks like it was maybe used for
like an office or
dressing room
something.
or an
Yeah,
office
yeah.
or something.
Okay.
And then this is your.
This is the space. Yes, this is the majority of the space.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have got built-in.
Oh, that's
freezer,
nice.
And that's a nice size.
I like that. Yeah, that's nice.
You
And the fact that it goes in with the cabinets too is
Yeah.
really nice.
everything is sort of built in. You've got a
Washer?
washer,
Or is it?
possibly dryer, but I would say the dryers are not great.
Okay.
The drying function is not fabulous.
Okay.
So you could get a dryer, but you would need to get a condenser one.
Okay.
Okay. So washer dryer there.
Under the sink. Some storage.
Right, I'm just
More
searching for one
storage.
thing.
What are you looking for?
Don't have a dishwasher. But hey.
I mean, what's a person who doesn't know how to wash dishes by hand, right? Like, dishwashers are luxury to a degree.
Yeah.
So they're not totally mandatory.
Some of them do have them, but then you've got a built-in oven,
Stovetop.
gas hob.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. It's smaller than some of the other places that I was going to look at, but it's, other than completely echoey in here, it's nice and it's clean and it's more modern and more updated. So even with the smaller space, as soon as I saw the pictures, it was like, I want to jump on this.
Yeah.
Because somebody else will jump on this,
Oh, yeah, exactly.
especially at the price point. Yeah, somebody else will jump on this if I don't jump on it. Okay, so as y'all saw, it's a little bit smaller. It is a flat. It is not an actual apartment. I'm going to hit this tree. It is a flat. So it's a little bit smaller than what I was initially looking for, but it's clean and it's modern and it's well taken care of, and I like it. So we are currently headed back to the letting agency to start filling out the application and to move forward with the process. This is fun. This is definitely fun. I've never actually, let's go into third. I've never actually done this kind of stuff before. So this is all new and it's all fun, and who knows, maybe within the next week or two, I'll be in a place that I can actually call my own. But yeah, and she is just whipping through this because she knows how to drive in the UK, and I drive like an old lady. And I will catch y'all in a little bit. Alrighty guys, so it's really fun doing these after the fact videos. I totally forgot to pick the camera back up after I left the letting agency, but basically all that happened was we signed some paperwork starting the application process, and I put down my holding fee on the flat. I really liked this flat. Like I said in the video, it's a lot smaller than I really wanted, and I can't have my pets with me. But you know, with life, you got to make some sacrifices, and those are just the sacrifices that I had to make. I knew that if I didn't take this, if they put it on the market tomorrow, that it would definitely have been taken relatively quickly. So it looks like this will be the place that I will be moving into within probably the next month or so. The next video y'all should see is me and my godmother picking out furniture and furnishings and whatnot. And then the video after that should be move-in day. But we'll see what happens. If you liked this video, make sure to click that like button, click that subscribe button down below. We do have a goal of 60,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If we do hit 60,000 by the end of the year, I will have a massive, massive giveaway, one of the biggest giveaways, the biggest giveaway that I've ever had on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and turn this number into a number more like this so we can hit that 60,000 marker by the end of the year. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace, guys.